Hey tech enthusiasts! Today we're covering factory resets for Roomba robots. Let's dive in. The Roomba S and I series are designed for optimal cleaning performance. To reset your Roomba, follow these simple steps. First, locate the Home, Spot Clean, and Clean buttons on your device. Press and hold all three buttons simultaneously. Keep holding them down until you see the white light ring begin to swirl around the top of the unit. This indicates that the reset process has started. Once the light ring stops swirling, your Roomba will be reset and ready to use again. This process ensures your device is functioning at its best. The Roomba J series is designed for easy maintenance. To remove the dustbin, simply press the release button and pull it out. Hold the clean button for 7 seconds until you hear a tone indicating the system is ready. Then, tap the clean button once to confirm the action. This process ensures your Roomba is properly reset and ready for its next cleaning cycle. Regular maintenance like this keeps your Roomba running efficiently and prolongs its lifespan. Alright folks, let's reset the E series. It's as easy as pie. Just press and hold the clean button until you hear a cheerful beep. It's like your Roomba saying, "I'm ready for a fresh start." Now, on to the 900 series. This one's a bit of a drama queen. Hold down the clean button and the spot button together until it beeps. It's like your Roomba saying, okay, I'll do it. For the Wi-Fi connected 600 and 800 series, it's a bit like a secret handshake. Press and hold the clean button until the light ring swirls. It's like your Roomba saying, "Welcome to the club." Finally, the Roomba Combo. This one's a multitasker. Press and hold the clean button until you hear a beep. It's like your Roomba saying, "I can do it all." Remember, a factory reset erases all settings. This means all your customized schedules, cleaning preferences, and any saved maps will be lost. You'll need to reconfigure your Roomba afterwards, which includes setting up your Wi-Fi connection, reprogramming your cleaning schedules, and remapping your home. It might seem like a hassle, but it's essential for troubleshooting persistent issues or preparing your Roomba for a new owner. If you have any questions or run into any problems during the reset process, feel free to drop them in the comments below. We're here to help. Also, don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more home automation tips and tricks. We regularly post content to help you get the most out of your smart home devices. Thanks for watching and we'll catch you in the next one. Outro.